Welcome back and happy Mardi Gras. It's 4:45 on this weather impact alert Mardi Gras. We have two big things going on. Strong winds that will be gusty all day today. Plus we'll have a line of strong to severe storms rolling in during the later afternoon and early evening hours. So that's why we have the weather impact alert. The winds will be picking up later this morning and they stay blustery and gusty all throughout the afternoon and evening. Plus we'll have severe storms possible after 3 p.m. today until about 6 or 7 p.m. So late afternoon, early evening, quick batch of heavy rain. But really we're watching for the risk of isolated tornadoes and some possibly damaging winds within those storms. Here we go. This is what's coming our way. This system is very potent as it moves across the country. This cold front will be sliding through the Gulf Coast later on today, and that is what is going to bring us the severe weather risk. There's already strong to severe storms across Oklahoma down into Texas. Tornado watches for them for East Texas. We'll see if that happens for us later on today. 63 degrees right now. It is a little bit breezy, but it is a quiet morning. We will be dry and nice throughout the morning hours and into the early afternoon, but then that changes in about 2-3 o'clock as storms start to approach from the west. But it is going to be windy as the storm system approaches. There is a high wind warning still in effect for the entire area. Starts at 9 a.m., lasts until 9 o'clock tonight. We'll see south-southeast winds sustain 20 to 30 miles per hour. Occasional gusts could reach 50 to 60 miles per hour, and that does not include what's going to happen in the storms. This is before the storms even get here. Today is going to be warm and humid and windy with temperatures near 80 degrees this afternoon. Storms start to approach from the west around 2 or 3 o'clock. Closer look at those wind gusts today. Don't be surprised if you see those gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. 1 or 2 gusts possibly pushing 60 miles per hour, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. And as that front pushes in, we could see some stronger storms that could pack damaging wind gusts above 70 miles per hour. So we get through the morning nice and dry, but here we go. 2 o'clock, storms approach from the west. 3 o'clock, they start to advance eastward. I think the most active time for the New Orleans area, probably anywhere from 5 to 7 p.m. tonight, give or take. That's when the severe storms roll in. This is around 5 o'clock. The area is dealing with the storms until about 6 or 7. We get to about 9 o'clock tonight and they should be gone and off to the east as this front pushes in. But there is that severe weather risk that actually has increased for our area. It's an enhanced risk now for basically our whole region. It's a level 3 out of 5. Plus we have this hatching, meaning we could see 1 or 2 stronger tornadoes that may be a little more longer lasting, could be EF2 or greater. So we're watching for the risk of a few tornadoes today, the risk for damaging winds within the storms that could gust above 70 miles per hour, some heavier showers and some small hail, but flooding is not looking like a big deal. It looks like maybe we'll pick up 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, maybe 3/4 of an inch in a few spots, but it will be moving by quickly. It's really the risk for tornadoes and strong winds is what we'll be really honing in on and focusing today during the later afternoon and early evening hours. So today, make sure you secure your loose items. You strap down your elaborate costumes before you head out. Today is really the only active day. The rest of the week looks great. Ash Wednesday tomorrow, cooler, breezy, lots of sunshine, 60s tomorrow, 60s on Thursday, some chilly nights and mornings later this week. We get warm again Friday and Saturday in the 70s. We will have some rain returning on Saturday, but Sunday for the rescheduled parades looks wonderful. It's cooler in the 60s Sunday, plenty of sunshine, a little breeze out there. So the only hiccup, of course, comes today on your Mardi Gras. Later today in the late afternoon and early evening.